Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we will going to learn how to change font using HTML CSS. So for that, as we can see, we have a p tag over here. If we give the PID as a p1, and then if we give the p open tag over here as a PID p2, and if we save it, and now if we come over into style.css, and in here we can simply, as you can see over here, we're going to give the first hash called p1, and then we're going to give the curly bracket, and as you can see into the add image, we're going to change the font family. So we were going to change the font size, font style called sans serif. As you can see, we can simply save it, and now if you refresh it, as you can see, the font is rightly changed. Into here we can simply change the font size. You can see the font size, and we can make it 100 px, and you can simply give a save it, and if you refresh it, as you can see, it will looks like this. Will make it a little bit decrease called 50, and we can save it. And as you can see, we rightly change the font size over here like this. Also, we can do a little bit different. We can make it a little bit italic, so, or we can make it a little bit a bold. It looks like a bold one, but we can, for that we can make it italic. Can save it, and if you refresh it, you can see it's look like italic. So yeah, this is how we can simply change the fonts into using HTML CSS in your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.